Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I have a mom to Mamacita transformation. You guys are not going to be able to recognize me by the end of this video. So y'all better stay tuned. So I'm just having a good time getting ready, putting some music on, dancing while I'm getting ready, just having a good time. And I'm using a lot of my favorite products, and I have all the names of them on the screen for you, and I will also have them linked down below. I had never heard this song. It's called Singapore, Singapore, Singapore. I thought it was so fun. I had never heard it. I don't even know what it says. I just know it says Singapore over and over again, and I liked it. I was jamming, and right here I was jamming. So if you want to know what song I was jamming to, stay tuned until the end to see a little blooper. You know, when I do my makeup, it's my me time. I put the kids watching some YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna go get glam in my room with my music on and stuff. Sometimes, enjoy a little glass of wine and whatnot. So do you guys do that also? Enjoy a little glass of wine, put some music on, and just get ready, get glam, especially during these times, because I feel like there's nothing to get dressed up for, Like, I haven't worn dresses. I hardly even buy clothes. And if I do buy clothes, it's going to be comfy clothes that I wear around the house, like sweats and stuff like that. So, I miss getting glam. And this little outfit that I'm wearing, I didn't show my outfit in this video, but this outfit that I'm wearing is like a two-piece set. So the pants is like sweatpants. It's super cute. I will have a video coming up. I'm going to be sharing like an outfit ideas type of video using comfortable, cozy, like quarantine type outfits. So stay tuned for that. Also, I know I've been getting a lot of requests about my breast augmentation update. So that is coming up. Also, you guys, I am 6 months post-op. It's crazy how fast time is going, and they're looking fabulous. So yes, girl, I will be giving you an update really, really soon, okay? I'm thinking like within the week. So be sure to turn on your post notifications so that you can be updated when I upload that video. For today's makeup, I was just feeling like big curly hair and a statement eyeliner. Like I wanted, winged eyeliner. I wanted to wear eyeliner in my waterline. So I did that because I usually don't. I always do eyeshadow and skip out on eyeliner. And I was like, you know what? Today I am going to go really minimal on my eyeshadow, and I'm going to go crazy with the eyeliner. And I loved it. It made me feel a little chola vibes, but I actually really enjoyed it. I think it looked pretty. And I used to do my eyeliner like this in high school, but more toned down. My winged eyeliner wasn't as big as I did it in this video, but I also used to do like the inner corner of my eyes, like pointy on the inner corner, kind of like Middle Eastern Egyptian type, super cute. I used to love doing that because I felt like it made my eyes look longer and bigger than they are. So yeah, that's just the vibe. Sometimes I just have vibes like in my head. I just think about because I feel like makeup is an art, and I love that I never look the same when I do my makeup, because I do my makeup every single time. Like every time I do my makeup, it's different and I look different, and I always have like a vibe or a look in my head that I'm trying to achieve, So I hardly ever do my makeup the same, or redo the same makeup look. It's usually something different every time, unless it's just like an everyday makeup look where I just do like my face makeup, pop on a lash, put on a lip, and that's it, But I mean, like when I go in with my eye makeup and everything and my hair, usually I try to go for like a vibe. I have something in my head that I'm trying to achieve depending on the mood, the occasion, where I'm going, So yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys do that also? Or am I the only one? Do I overthink it? I don't think I overthink it. I think I just have a lot of fun. That's what I really love about makeup. I love that makeup can transform you in a good way. It transform you. It gives you, you look different on the outside, but I feel like it also transforms you on the inside. Like when you have makeup, you just feel more confident, like you are badass, like transforms you. So I love that. I love that makeup, you know, changes your appearance, but it also changes your mood, your confidence, the way you feel about yourself. That's why I love makeup so much. And I love whenever I would do makeup on other people, I was always so happy at the end seeing my clients' happiness and feel so good about themselves. It's really pretty. I love makeup so much for that reason, you know, aside from just looking glam. So I really miss that. I haven't done makeup on other people in a very long time, since before quarantine. Actually, the weekend where quarantine started, that was the last time that I did makeup on someone. And yeah, I miss it. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this little chit chat. Get ready with me. It's completely different from anything that I've ever done, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And so here I'm doing my hair, and like I said, I was, you know, feeling like some big fluffy hair, and I loved how it looked. I love how this looks on my hair because it's so long, but this will look good on anyone, and people who have highlights, it'll look so pretty and textured. It'll look like very dimensional. And then I'm also gelling down my little edges. I love doing this because I hate my hairline. So I feel like when I lay down my edges, it just makes me feel better about my hairline. And this is the final look, you guys. I am all transformed, glammed, right? I don't even look like myself. Like, go to the beginning and see how I looked before. I do not look the same. So I hope you guys loved it too. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at gabdel2. I love you guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye.